Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. Welcome to all my old subscribers and a special welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you all for joining me today. I appreciate you watching this video. Today's video is going to be a very quick video on how I made this hair that I am wearing. So I wanted to do something natural. If you want to use straight hair or curly hair, if you want to use natural hair or synthetic blend hair, you could definitely use the same method that I'm using. Today's video is going to be about the hot glue method. I'm going to use a glue gun, hot glue gun. I'm going to use some black keratin sticks, and black keratin sticks are exactly, well, they look exactly like regular glue sticks except for they're black. And they're made out of a protein, a keratin protein that's supposed to help bond, I would say, natural extensions to your real hair. So years ago they used them in the industry. Honestly, I don't know if they use them anymore because so many different methods of attaching hair is just available to people. So many options available. So, but anyway, I still have a few of my glue sticks, my keratin glue sticks from I think like 5 or 6 or 7 years ago. I had a few left and I used them to make this wig. I still have a couple more left. I'm going to use those when I make another wig. But as you can see, this wig is a curly natural unit, like a kinky curly. This is by, and guys, you know what, I had the packages but I just threw them all away because this wig is like a few days old. And when after I made the wig, I took photographs, I wore it out, and I was cleaning up the room and I threw all the boxes out. But I did show you what the packages look like in the video. But anyway, this is the wig. It's about 2 days old now, and it looks so good. This wig came out so lovely. So before I go into the video to show you what I did, I just wanted to tell you that I did, because I didn't mention this part in the video, after I finished the wig, I just cut and shaped it a little bit more, took a little bit of length off, you'll see. So that's it, guys. I don't want to go into too much detail. I do want to save some stuff for the video, but I am going to sign off here in the front of the video. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me. God bless, take care, enjoy the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. This is the hair I'm going to use. Now guys, let me tell you about this hair. This hair is originally, I think it was originally $9 a package, but the beauty supply store I got it from was moving a lot of products out, and they were selling this for $6.99. So they didn't have a lot, a lot of matching sets. Like for example, this is a 10-inch Jerry curl color number 1, and then I have a 12-inch color number 1, and then I have another Jerry curl 12-inch color number 1B. So I figured it was close enough, maybe just to give it some nice variation in the layering when I get ready to hot glue this wig. But this is the style and this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can get it in for you without... Okay. Anyway, that's what the hair texture looks like. I hope you can see it. That's what the hair texture looks like. It's really natural looking. I like natural looking wigs, guys. You know that wig that was out years ago called La J. I love that wig, but they've changed that wig up so much that I can't even wear it anymore. It's not made from the same synthetic, high quality synthetic hair anymore. So this is the Jerry curl 12-inch 1. And if you all don't know what 1 means, 1 just means black. That's just for those who don't know what the number mean in reference to color. So the number 1 is a black. 1B is an off black. The number 2 would be like a dark brown. So the higher the number, the lighter the colors. And if you got a blend, you'll know because it'll say TT, which means two-toned. Okay? So anyway, this is a 12-inch. Number 1, the color is black. This was $6.99. This is the length of the curl. Let me see if I can get this out so you all can see. Right there. This is the hair. It looks really pretty. And let me see if I can get the net off of it so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to be using my glue gun that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is the 12-inch. I'm going to start with this. And I'm going to use the 10-inch at the top, so that it's not so long that I can get a layered look, sort of something like what we're seeing right here. I want to get that look. Alright guys, so I'm going to get started. Wig cap I got from the beauty supply store. Take your wig cap. You see the adjustable straps in the back? You want to turn the wig cap inside out because that's where you'll be able to use your adjustable strap. So if you're going to do this method, let me cut this piece of paper off. Don't forget to turn your wig cap inside out so that you can have access to your adjustable straps. So I'm going to pull in a little bit, get a little bit closer, and then I'm going to get started. Okay guys, so first we're going to start with the wig cap. Just make sure you put your wig cap on your wig block or your mannequin head. Again, make sure it's turned inside out so that after you finish making your wig, you'll have access to your adjustable straps and your combs if you want to sew in combs. So right now I'm just going to attach some pins just to hold the wig cap in place so that it doesn't move when I start to use the hot glue. Okay, so next what I'm going to use are these silicone fingers that's going to protect my fingers from the heat of the hot glue. I used to use these years ago when I made wigs and I lost track of them, but since I've been cleaning up, I found a lot of my crafting items, and so these are very helpful guys. So if you hot glue anything, whether it's your craft projects, you may appreciate having these on your fingers if you're using the hot glue gun. That glue can burn, it stings, and although you can kind of feel the heat a little bit through the silicone fingers, you may feel a little warmth, but it doesn't burn. So right now I'm going to start at the base of the wig and I'm going to apply the longest length, which is the 12-inch, and I'm going to start applying that, attaching a little bit of the glue to the weft, and so I'm attaching that now to the wig cap, and so I'm just going to start making my wig. And the hot glue method makes wig making so fast. I like to use black glue sticks because it just makes the whole wig process look neater, and it just doesn't look, you know, all crazy with the white glue poking through after the wig has cooled down. So this is really nice. And again, like regular white glue sticks, this black glue does make strings, so you know, like that glue strings, you'll have to pull them off. And you should probably do that. Right now I'm just sealing that weft. You'll want to remove those strings as you go along. Don't do it after your wig is finished because you won't catch it all. So yeah. And I like to seal the edge of the weft after I cut it. I like to seal all the ends again and keep working. So I'm applying some glue to the weft and applying that to the wig cap. If you're going to use a styrofoam head, make sure you cover your styrofoam head with a plastic something plastic, because hot glue does stick to styrofoam and it melts the styrofoam. So if you don't use something to cover the the styrofoam, you're going to have styrofoam stuck in the inside of your wig cap. So now I'm working from the side of the wig and I'm just going to start wrapping the hair all the way around. And when I sew, or whether I sew or hot glue a wig, I make the tracks close to each other so that there isn't a lot of space in between the last weft. Okay guys, so I'm right here now at the top of the wig, and what I did was just went through a little bit, pulling at the curls just to release any shedded hair or head that will shed. So I just want to remove that before I continue. But this is as far as I got. I use both of the 12-inch. And guys, I have to say that the 12-inch 1B really was like a, I don't know, like a 10-inch. So, I mean, they got me with that one. So now instead of continuing to glue the wefts in this direction, I'm going to glue them in this direction so that I could flip it back. I'm not going to, if you hot glue it or sew it this way, it'll lay this way. You don't want it to lay back. You want to be able to kind of toss it back and let it look fuller at the top. So I'm just going to hot glue my pieces just like that till I get right here at the crown. I hope you guys can see. I think I'll stop here and then I'll probably make a circular piece right here. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Alright guys, so I think you got the idea of how to hot glue a wig. So I'm just going to start skipping ahead really fast. Okay, so right now I'm using the nozzle of the hot glue gun to make sure that the glue is melted and flat. Any extra glue that may build up, this is always an option for you. Just take the nozzle, it's still nice and hot, and just melt any existing wax. So I'm just going to keep making the closure circle as small as I can get it until there's just the weft that's exposed at the top. So right now I'm just going to take the wig off of the wig block, and I want to show you what it looks like underneath. But remember what I said to you, if you don't use a plastic wrapping or plastic bag over your canvas block or your styrofoam wig head, it will be stuck to that. This is what it looks like underneath. You see your tracks, looks very shiny. That's what the black glue looks like when you use it. And yeah, nice and neat. And it's soft. If you see me squeezing it, it's not hard. So right now I'm just going to hot glue my wig combs in. And I've been wearing my wig now for a couple of days, and the wig combs are still holding strong. Nothing is coming loose. The wig is still nice and strong. This is so easy to make. This project took me 50 minutes, I think, because I did stop, took a few phone calls, trying to work as I talked on the phone. So that did slow me down, but you can definitely do a wig like this in under an hour and a half. Very easy. And yeah, so I pressed that into place. I'm going to put a comb at the top of the wig. After I finish doing that, I'm going to start to trim the wig and shape it up a little bit. Okay guys, at this point I was using my iPhone because it was easier just to set it up in the bathroom. But I'm going to put the wig on, get it into place, start fluffing up the hair a little bit. And next what I'm going to do is to start trimming it, because I want to trim the longer length off at the bottom, that 12-inch. And so now I know in the future I could definitely work with a 10-inch at the bottom so that I don't have to do a lot of cutting after my wig is done. So I'm just trimming it up and just trimming off any excess and just getting it nicely shaped. And guys, here are some final pictures, and the wig is 2 days old at this point. And yeah, it was nice and easy, guys. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, be blessed, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.